Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Anas, and you are watching my YouTube channel Medical Educational Studio. We are offering the warm welcome to the volunteer viewers who are browsing for the brief lectures on different topics so they will get benefit and can easily pick the topic idea. We will start a series of the video demonstrations and lecture in the medical technology. Here are some basic objectives. We are starting the online learning system to explore of medical studies, in which we will cover the basic medical sciences like physiology, anatomy, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, hematology, and we will also touch the speciality subjects related to the every health technologies. So you are free availability with the core easy concept. Here are the crash courses of medical technologies. The basic aim for the starting our channel to promote education at higher level up, to stabilize each and every medical subfields, and to achieve advancement in health. You are welcome to suggest the method of demonstration regard language and style of conveying. Thank you so much. So stay connected for upcoming videos lecture.